So yeah, TEM, and we've been trading this. We actually got out at the top here, so 65% on options, about break even with our leverage ETF. And I just wanted to let this rest, and then I could start fresh whenever I see the next opportunity. And so you can see this had a nice move up here, but then since then it's been resting. And it is kind of at what I would consider resistance here at the hourly 200, and not quite the daily 50, but you can still see it's trying to work its way higher and kind of go through these patterns. They've just been smashed over the last couple weeks or last couple months. Huge moves to the downside, and now they're trying to recover and actually see if they're going to go up, or maybe they need to kind of do this a little bit before going up. That's kind of the unknown, is what path. And if you look at something like IONQ, yes, these are kind of the risky names, or risk on type names. And once again, they were very, very frothy a few months ago, and they really went down and had to get repriced. And yes, they did have a bounce late last week, but look, TEM had the bounce earlier in the week. So it's like TEM bounced earlier and IONQ bounced later, but they both bounced. You can actually see that they're basically in the same spot for each other. They really haven't, yeah, they kind of both ended up into the same location. And while there was a move, we're going to have to see what kind of work there's going to be as these things continue to work their way through the patterns in order to, I think, go higher. But they're probably not going to go just immediately higher right here. I'm kind of wondering if there's going to be some turbulence here before we can go higher.